As a trusted and experienced partner in the pharmaceutical industry, Stevanato Group shares a commitment to improve patient quality of life. We deliver this promise through a comprehensive range of products, technologies, and services for our pharmaceutical partners. Our engineering teams specialize in producing reliable, flexible, scalable equipment that streamlines your manufacturing processes. There are three key applications for pharmaceutical companies: visual inspection, assembly, and packaging. With an extensive portfolio of visual inspection equipment, we can support your quality control requirements during lab development or commercial production. From benchtop units to fully automatic vision machines, our equipment efficiently inspects all types of glass primary packaging, filled with clear or dark liquids, heavy suspensions, gels, or lyophilized products. These state-of-the-art solutions provide optimal inspection results and high productivity rates while minimizing false reject rates. Additionally, we pioneered the use of artificial intelligence to identify defects faster and even more accurately in our next-generation systems. Two key features of our assembly solutions are flexibility and scalability. We achieve this by combining transport systems, infeeds, inspection systems, advanced robotics, and customized modules to deliver a fully tailored subassembly or final assembly line for your drug delivery system. This modular approach is incredibly flexible, enabling production of multiple product formats on the same line, including pen injectors, auto-injectors, wearables, or inhalers. This same modularity enables the inclusion of labeling and packaging equipment, complete with serialization and aggregation, for a fully integrated turnkey solution. From clinical trials through to commercialization, we develop future-proof assembly solutions with high overall equipment efficiency and low maintenance. For each of our engineering projects, the goal is simple: deliver reliable, flexible, scalable equipment solutions that are fully tailored to your needs.